Southwest Technical College is excited to host the Southern Utah Manufacturing Expo on Thursday, October 5th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Join us to meet over 20 manufacturers like Align Precision, Building Zone Industries, DHS Products, GoX, Staley West, and many other companies transforming our Southern Utah economy.
Some of these manufacturers are hiring, so this is a great opportunity to find future employment. There will also be free food and prizes.
West Tech Culinary Arts program is cooking over 500 brats, and every half hour there will be a drawing for prizes donated by our participating manufacturers.
Once again, the Manufacturing Expo is Thursday, October 5th from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Southwest Technical College, located at 757 West, 800 South in Cedar City, Utah.
Come find out what's made in Southern Utah and maybe find an opportunity for yourself to be a part of a thriving manufacturing community.